This video is part of a series of videos showing how Road-Eng can be used for design review for the Korean Forest Service when they are provided with the DWG that contains 2D alignment information, and they have LiDAR data available in a DEM format. Now, this part in particular will focus on creating the vertical alignment, and within that there are several ways we can create our vertical alignment. So this is option 2 of 3 options we'll present. Option 1, we showed how to create the vertical alignment with our mouse. Option 2, we're going to create the vertical alignment tabularly. So here we have the vertical curves panel open. We have our current point set on the only IP at the start. We'll click the plus here, and we can tell the software that we'd like the next IP to be at station 90 and at elevation 896. We'll press OK, and we see that that is assigned. We can continue along to the next one. So we want to go to station 145 at an elevation of 898. And we'll go at 245 to 910. So we can see we are dropping quite deep as we follow this alignment. So that is adding the elevations tabularly.